believe that the kitchen's finally done, and man, I'm just so happy with it. It's just so beautiful. My last kitchen was crumbling into the pots and plates. The sink was held up by fruit baskets. The bench was cracked and broken. I've been in this house 27 years. It was definitely time for a new kitchen. The process was pretty straightforward. I planned the layout, chose my products, got some quotes, booked my tradies, then it was straight into the building and installation. Today is really exciting because we're installing the kitchen. It's been quite a process to get to this point. Been thinking and planning the shape and the structure of the kitchen for quite some time now. So this is my new kitchen. Over here we've got a pull-out pantry. Oh, can't wait for that because I've never had a pantry. I found it really helpful masking it out with tape and working out how I was going to use it, where the drawers needed to be. I found it overall quite difficult to choose the type of kitchen I wanted because all of a sudden I was barraged with what tap do I want, what handles do I want, what colour do I want, the cupboards, what stove do I want, what, and it was like, oh, I don't know. Oh wow, ooh la la, look at that. So cool, so it's got a separate place for when the filter works, so that's not mixing the unfiltered water with the filtered water, which is very cool. I love my kitchen. I love the functionality of it. I love cooking in it. The colours, it feels fresh, it feels clean. The pull-out pantry is amazing. It's got baskets, it's easy to see. I really enjoy the water filter. I don't need to fill up jugs and wait for it to filter through. Originally, I thought I'd want a white kitchen. I thought it'd be nice and clean, but through the advice I was offered, I ended up with a textured look to the cupboards. It surprised me that I didn't need to match my top cupboards with my bottom cupboards. To me, it makes it look really stylish. The things I learnt along the way were be flexible because things do change, and be aware that the cost of the kitchen is probably only half the cost. You've got your plumbing, you've got electrical stuff, lighting, preparation of the room, the floors. For me, they were unexpected costs that you're unaware of until you actually get deep into the project. I'm just so glad that I've gone through the process. My kitchen looks amazing and I'm so looking forward to many, many, many soirees with my lovely friends.